Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Tacoma. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, multifunction display, child safety locks, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.